Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead. Look what just arrived from ForJars. Woot! Let's unbox it. Alrighty. Woo! I'm so excited. Thank you, ForJars. Oh, look. Are those stickers? They are. ForJars. Love is sharing jars and a piece of your heart. Oh, I like that. Some of these are going to go on my laptop. Thank you. Now, what do we have here? Gracie, not everything's for you. There's a tray. Yep, well, it's so you can, this will hold 7 quarts or 18 pints stacked. And you put your trays upside down like that. I suppose some people could do it like that, but then your jars wouldn't sit as flat. So here we've got 2 trays. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't had a new canner in a long time. Oh, awesome. Look at this. Oh, and it's a nice silicone ring. It's not the plasticky kind. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look, this is where our spout's gonna go. And this, these are for emergency pressure release. If your canner for some reason goes over pressure, these will pop up and stop your canner from exploding.
Oh, that's a good thing.
Hey, what's this? Oh, look at that. I think I know what this is. I think this is... Oh my goodness.
All right. What is it?
Passion fruit tea. A lot of passion fruit tea. And you know what? I know I get told hush. Are you going to give me lip? I get a lot of tea sent to me in different flavors, but if it's not orange pekoe or black china tea, passion fruit's my favorite. Absolute favorite. Thank you. Oh, and what is this? To Beverly from ForJars.
Grace, it's not for you.
Look, Grace! An envelope! Yay!
And there she goes.
Dear Beverly, thank you for playing a big role in helping to make ForJars a success. We hope that you and your family have a wonderful Christmas and a blessed New Year. Kindly, your ForJars team. Isn't that nice?
Wonderful.
All right, now. Oh my goodness.
Oh, your little...
Okay, wait a second here. You paying attention with the camera there?
Oh, not really.
Not really. It's too much fun, isn't it? Look!
Oh, lots of...
Oh my goodness! Chocolate to go with my tea. They always send me chocolate and tea. Thank you.
lids.
Here is 12 lids. Regular mouth. 12 lids, large mouth. No, you can't have those, Gracie. And with this, oh my gosh, a new canning kit. Oh, look at the size of that funnel. It has the funnel, the tongs, or the jar lifters, tongs. Oh my. You know what? Oh, another egg magnet. You know what this is? This is a jar opener.
Oh.
This is so you can open your jars without, this is really handy because my hands aren't doing so great. My goodness. Christmas! Now,
another ring?
oh my goodness, really?
Yeah.
I get an extra ring. That's amazing. All right.
Are you helping, Grace?
Are you oh, Gracie helping? Oh, isn't that beautiful? This is a 23-liter pressure canner. Now, this, Gracie, you don't want the plastic. There she goes.
She's got the
Or she's got
plastic.
something. Now, this is the pressure gauge. Make sure there's nothing else that goes with that. It has a nut and a washer.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I've never used a pressure gauge before. I've always used just the jiggler. This has both. What's that mean? You know what that means? Less room for error. Less room for error. Okay. Look, isn't that beautiful with the red ribbon? Okay.
Very nice.
So now, what we're going to do first... Oh, now you can buy... This is for the jiggler, and you can buy the part if you want to not have to use the pressure gauge. But, this is the way this works. Okay? We do this. We put the washer on. Lefty-loosey. Righty-tighty. Oh, there we go. Thank you, dear.
Look, manual.
Look, yeah, I'm going to need something to tighten, Howie to tighten that down. So this is our pressure gauge. It's going to have to come down more tight. And this, where's my other little box? Now this is our weight gauge. Okay? It is in 3 pieces, just like my old ones used to be. And it goes on, this is 5 pounds. This is makes it 10 pounds. And this makes it 15 pounds. You only use 15 pounds pressure if you live 1,000 feet or more above sea level. If you do live 1,000 feet or more above sea level, please check your manufacturer's directions for weights and times. The way this lines up, you will see this has a little thing here. This is your tab to lock your canner. Okay? And that's how it locks. We're going to be getting our meat for the freezer soon, and I'm going to be canning some meat, so I'm going to demonstrate this and try canning with a pressure gauge for the first time. Always try and leave these labels on your canner. These are all your safety instructions, so please leave this label on. Howie's going to tighten. He's going to tighten this down for me, and as soon as our meat arrives, we are going to do some canning with our brand new ForJars canner. Thank you, ForJars. Now, if you want one of these canners, you go to ForJars.com or ForJars.ca. You look at their canners and you go over them and you read the reviews. And then when you want to buy one, you use Half Acre, all one word, capital letters, and you will receive 10% off. Thank you so very much, ForJars, for my brand new canner. I can't wait for my meat to arrive. Mwah! Take care, God bless. Thank you, ForJars. Bye-bye.